The scares increase in might, for it is almost Halloween night. Scream Fortress is upon us, but not quite as sus as Among Us.
That looks pretty scary to me. Alright, I got 2 classes left. Why the fuck was Heavy's mouth open?
Because he does that.
He goes, "Arr!" As you're changing his loadout? Like,
He goes,
I've never seen that before. It looks even funnier without the coffin. Okay. Huh!
I love it.
You can hide with this! It's like someone coming out. Are they expecting you to be right there?
Ooh!
Oh, I saw that. That was juicy.
It was. Ow.
Thanks for collecting souls for me. Oh, and I can stall the cart this way! It's like the box trot again. Jesus.
Bro, I need to
That
do
guy
that with you.
fucking... He got demolished. Wait.
Oh, you're like halfway out of it. That's funny.
You got scared. Oh my god, you're being devious right now. You just like hit your face into the wall. I gotta come to you. That looks like content. They'll never find both of us.
This is my best spot yet. This is my finest work.
It's your finest work? I don't know where you are, so I'll have to die and see.
Oh, everyone's in the thing.
Oh, I see you.
A spy just decloaks near me.
I did it.
What'd you do?
I planked behind the sign.
Yes.
They don't know.
Never know.
You're raised.
I am raised.
You aren't behind it. Nobody knows though.
Spy Among Us.
Oh, Among Us.
That was the best taunt in the game.
It's so
We need
good.
to do a different lobby. We need like other people who don't know. I thought it would. You got scared. You got scared. That's you getting scared.
It is. I got scared, so I gotta open it.
Oh my god.
Nice, I got the Thunderdome.
When he comes
Okay,
up
I don't think anybody saw
when
us.
he comes up here, he's gonna be very confused.
This is not our spy.
How do you not know?
No way! No way!
This is awesome.
Right? No way. There's no way that soldier didn't know.
They're not knowers.
We looked like dead bodies who are actually playing the part.
Actually, that might be the play. If we can get like a pyro to air blast us or something. I love the whistle sound.
Woo! I don't think I could do it. Hold on.
You'll love to hear that on the playback. It'll sound so good. Your ears will love it. These people are boring. Go to the shed. Play sniper.
Play sniper and instantly know that something is off.
This is like not a good spot.
No, it's terrible. Let's stay there.
The pyro looked at you. I saw that. He killed me.
I saw that in the background.
He shot
Is that
me?
you?
Yeah, I'm down here. I'm dead. Look.
Oh, you're dead.
I got shot by a heavy, but he gave up. Wait, do the peekaboo. 3, 2, 1.
That looks great. It's like a mirror.
It's like a mirror. I'm like,
I have returned in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna do the zoom and broom because I care more about the banjo one.
Here we go.
We should have done this in game, so I could have looked at them.
Dead Man's Party? That's a good song by Oingo Boingo. Let's see. Haunted Cremation.
Haunted Cremation. Ooh.
Is that the one you wanted?
I think it is. I think it's the green one.
Oh, that's gonna be peak.
And it follows your body as well, so it's cool.
Those are the good ones.
I leave a trail of graves!
That's pretty cool.
That is cool!
I can't see it on my end, though, unfortunately.
Oh.
I had to watch your stream. The banjo. Here we go. Make sure you do the right one. That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty sick.
Woo,
Remember
my
that
one
prank
kill
where you
streak.
like you stand at the edge where you gotta jump? They jump into you
Yes.
as your cloaked spot and you fall in.
Yes.
What if the coffin works the same way?
Wait, okay, you lost me. I thought I knew what you were talking about. Go, go, go.
Oh, I did it! Please.
No way.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, okay.
Do it, do it.
Okay, me too. Me too.
Do it. Yes, yes,
Okay, okay.
Which one are you? The right one?
yes.
No fucking shot, it worked!
That was too perfect, bro.
Okay, I get another victim.
Yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Dude,
Just for the video.
holy fuck.
Oh my god.
There's no way that happened. I
we're
can't
up
believe
top.
it. It's so
Holy
funny.
fucking shit. I killed like 3 red people
It
with
was
that.
like 5 you killed, including me.
I guess, yeah.
That was amazing.
It's so stupid, bro. I can't believe I just watched that.
That was amazing.
I didn't think it would work.
That is goofy.
No,
Back
what?
to Shenanigans. Yeah, but it knocks you out when anyone uses the hammer.
Nah, we're bing chilling. We're bing chilling right now. We're bing chilling.
He's like, what is the
What
turret
the
shooting
fuck is
at?
the turret doing, man? What's all these... Nobody fucking knows, dude. Oh, okay, that guy knows. Oh,
I'm waiting for it to use all its
he
ammo.
knows.